Imagine if your terminal itself could become an AI coding partner, helping you write code in real time, debug errors, and even handle your GitHub issues. Sounds crazy, right? Well, now it's possible with GitHub Copilot CLI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an AI tool that's set to change the way you code. GitHub Copilot CLI. It's basically your AI-powered coding assistant, but this time it lives directly inside your terminal. What is Copilot CLI? Up until now, we mostly used Copilot inside editors like VS Code. But with Copilot CLI, you can directly interact with AI in your command line to write code, fix bugs, manage GitHub, pull requests and issues, and even refactor your existing code. And the best part? It integrates directly with your GitHub account and repositories. Let me give you a quick rundown of the features. Checkmark terminal native development, code and AI in the same place. GitHub integration, manage repos, issues, and PRS using natural language. Agentic capabilities. The AI doesn't just suggest, it plans and executes tasks. Full control. Nothing happens without your approval. And if you want even more customization, it supports MCP servers, so you can extend its capabilities with your own add-ons. So how do you install it? Super easy. First, make sure you have Node.js v22 and npm v10 installed. Run the install command, npm install g@github/copilot, then launch it by typing Copilot, and you'll be greeted with an animated banner. If login is required, just type /login and authenticate with your GitHub account. Advanced users can also authenticate using a personal access token, PAT. By default, it runs on Claude Sonnet 4. But here's the cool part. You can switch to GPT-5 mode by running Copilot_model equals GPT-5 Copilot. Pretty awesome, right? Honestly, I think this tool is a game changer for developers who want to double their productivity. No more wasting time switching between apps. Just open your terminal and let AI be your coding partner. Alright, let's jump into the demo. I'm opening up Visual Studio Code, creating a brand new folder and then launching Copilot CLI inside it. Now here's the magic part. I just give Copilot CLI a natural language prompt. Create a SaaS landing page and add so many features in it, and boom! Copilot CLI immediately understands that I want a SaaS product landing page. Here's how it breaks it down step by step. 1. First, it generates a modern HTML structure with sections like hero, features, pricing, and contact. 2. Then it adds responsive CSS styling, so the page looks great on both desktop and mobile. 3. Next, it builds interactive components with JavaScript, like a pricing toggle, smooth scrolling, and maybe even a testimonial carousel. 4. Finally, it suggests optional extras like a dark mode switch, FAQ section, and a newsletter sign-up form. Basically, in just a few seconds, you get a professional SaaS landing page template, something that would normally take hours to build manually. And remember, you're still in full control. Copilot CLI shows you the generated code, and you can accept or tweak it before running. Honestly, I think this tool is a game changer for developers who want to double their productivity. No more wasting time switching between apps. Just open your terminal and let AI be your coding partner. So guys, that was a quick breakdown of GitHub Copilot CLI. If you'd like to try it out, I've dropped the link in the description below. And tell me in the comments, what would you use Copilot CLI for? Debugging, refactoring, or maybe handling your GitHub pull requests? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates on AI tools like this.